Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time and you just came across this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you are my savvy and you're watching, thank you for watching. So on today's video, we're basically going to talk about Sima. She's going to basically express herself on how she feels about that show, on what Siakela is doing to his wife, because the whole Mzansi doesn't really like that show because of him.
Then I had a realization about ndiyamcaphukela uSiyacela. I hate uSiyacela. Like uyonyanyeka uSiyacela. Fuqu lo mfana oluthwaxazela enukayo. Uyambona umuntu onempundu ezinukayo. Ziyanuka ezaa mpundu. Ozoloku eziveza eTVini. Aphinde athethe ngomlomo unuka ii-coins nekaka. Umlomo unuka ii-coins nekaka. Uyambona umuntu onomlomo onukayo. uSiyacela. Because uyayithetha ikaka, uyayithetha ishit. Hayi kaka shit le ayithethayo. I hate uSiyacela so much. I hate him. Rude. He's so rude. Like Khaman. I-rude la mfuqu leya. Ngathi angabethwa ngumphakathi. Oh, the way I hate him so much. And I hope he knows. Oh, I hate you, Siyacela. Sis. Oh, uyonyanyeka uSiyacela. Ngathi ukutya. Khaman ngathi liyaza lokugabha la mfana. I hate him so much. I hate you, Siyacela. Uyikaka yomfana. And because izinto ezidomu amajiji just because they are jumping on you, oh usuchazekile, oh efuquzela lapha twaqu khayonyanyeka uSiyacela, uyonyanyeka uSiyacela, iyanuka la mfana and uyagabhisa and ngathi liyeze lo gabha. I hate him so much. Sike naninari ndithetha ngaye. Khaman.